Yep. Oh god. The cut off. God. Okay, so today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube in like 5 or 6 tries. I don't know, many tries. And this is going to be my backup cube, and this is going to be my main cubes that I will be inspecting and solving. So let's scramble both of these cubes and let's start. Backup one scrambled so that I can practice on it. Okay, now I have scrambled my main 3x3 that I'm going to be inspecting and solving. So I'm going to be using an electrical timer right here to record my solves. So let's start. And this is a hard scramble, but yeah, I scrambled it myself. Alright. Oh god. So I'm still looking. Oh, it's already on to 45 seconds. Oh man, I couldn't get it. I couldn't get under 1 minute. Yep. I couldn't get it under 1 minute, so we're gonna try again. I'm going to move on to my brain that I'm going to be solving maybe. Oh god, double cross. This is going to be easy. Alright, go. Alright. I'm going to be making the average right here. I know. I'm going to be trying to go under 1 minute. But yeah, I'm not going to stop the video like when I get under 1 minute. I'm just gonna try more. Oh god. I used one finger when I was trying to stop it. And that was clearly 59:51. I saw it. So I'm gonna move on to my main, which I will be mainly using today. God, this is so easy. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down. it's a DNF when I don't make the cutoff or like forget to start the timer or something like that. Why did I turn that? What I was not going to turn up, but I do not. Just focus on it. Not just going to set my video on one day. Alright. I don't want to look at the time, oh god. Yep, I couldn't make the cutoff. God. That's 1 and 1. 1 minute 1. Then I forgot 50 seconds and 1 minute. Then I can't make the cutoff and I'm basically eliminated from the challenge. But since there's no challenge, okay, so I'm not in the competition right now, I'm just doing it. Okay. Oh god, I'm just going to stop. Didn't do inspection. No. Forgot to do inspection. That was fine because I ran away. Yo, I passed. I'm literally like 45 seconds right now. Yo! No way! I never get sub 50s. No way. I'm going to inspect right now. Why did I get such good times when I don't inspect? It's crazy how. Okay, I'm not gonna inspect it so that I could get like good times or something. I don't know. Bro. No. Oh no. No. I can't make the cutoff now. I'm gonna be so mad. What is this? What is this? Oh god, I forgot to. Serious? Ooh, no, 160 seconds. Shut up. One minute 29 seconds. I couldn't make the cutoff. Go! Bro, why did I need to pick it up? I could just pick it up with one hand. So not good. Dinosaur power. Grow. I get lucky every time. Every time I go do inspection, I get really good times. If I don't make the cutoff this time, I'm going to be so mad. Make the cutoff. Make the cutoff! I'm not going to do inspection, and I'm going to try to, make the cutoff. Whoa! Oh God! Seriously, even need to. Are you serious? Okay, everything's solved. Okay, I dropped my cube. I'm going to stop the timer. I dropped my cube and it's very wet and sweaty. I'm going to wipe it. Wipe it very much. Wipe. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. Wait, I can't make the cutoff just because I didn't. Wait, I think I actually can. Wait, I think I can. If I just use that, I guess. It's so slippery. Oh God, oh God, oh God, I'm frustrated. Yes! 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 Sub 1. It's not sub 50, but it's sub 1 minute. 59.71. Pretty good. Not gonna lie. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so okay, I've manipulated my cube to solve itself. Yes! So hungry. I need to eat a cookie. Okay. I need to get food. I'm going to get food. Just wait right there. Very nice. Okay. Alright. Alright, yes. I got the very good. Got 50, made the cutoff, top 1 minute, didn't get 129. Very good.